Good morning, boys and girls. I'm coming to you this morning with our math lesson. Today, we're going to talk about our numbers 1 to 5. We know our numbers 1 to 5. They all fit on one hand. Will you help me count using our hands? Go ahead and hold up your hand. Show me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's take a look at our numbers and our fingers at the same time. Here's my number 1. Show me one finger. Great job. Here's our number 2. Crooked. Show me 2 fingers. Very nice. Show me number 3. Hold up 3 fingers. Here's our number 4. Show me 4 fingers. Here's our number 5. Show me 5 fingers. That's one whole hand. Give me a high five. Great job. I have a fun story for us to listen to. It's a nursery rhyme, which means it rhymes. Some of you have heard it before, but please don't be this character jumping on the bed. Great job listening to that story. I hope you're not going to be that monkey jumping on the bed. Well, we talked about counting up our numbers 1 to 5, but in my monkey video, you saw how we counted from 5 all the way down to 1. Go ahead and put up your hand. We're going to count from 5 down. Show me 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's do that with our number cards. Here's our number 5. We go down to 4. Next is 3. Next is 2. And lastly is 1. Let's do that again with just our hands. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just like those monkeys jumping on the bed. We'll see you guys soon.